Hello students, in this video I am going to solve two very important problems of Karnoff math for SOP expression and second I will solve for POS expression. And in this question I will show you some tricks also so that your answer you will get correct answer. Okay, so let's start. So we have given two questions. This is sigma is there means we have to, this is SOP, and pi is there, it means it is POS. So the question is sigma of 0, 1, 2, 4, 6, 7, 9, 11, 14 and 15. So let us solve this first. So first let me complete the K-map. A bar, B bar, A bar, B, A B, A B bar, C bar, D bar, C bar, D, C D, C D bar. Okay, now let us fill this 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, sorry, not this, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Now in for SOP, what we have to do? In these cells, we will fill 1. Okay, so 0, then 1, then 2, 2, 2, 2, 4, 6, 6, 7, 9, where is 9, 11, 14 and 15. So these entry I have filled. Now first what we have to do, we have to look for octet. We have to make octet, quads, pairs. So first we will go with octet, and we can see there is no octet. One more thing you have to keep in mind, the cells which is unfilled, you will fill those cells with the 0. Now look at the octet. There is no octet. Now look for the quads. So this is the one quad. No other quad is present there. So we find one quad. Now one more quad is there. This and this. 1, 1, 1, 1. So this is the quad 2. Okay. Now we are left with 3 ones. 1, 2, 3. These 3 are left. Okay. So now we will go with pairs. So we can make pair, one pair, and this we can take with this. Now in these pairs, if you look carefully, we can come with many solutions. See, one pair, second pair. Okay, one more entry can be possible. This one we consider with this, so we can make a pair air, and this with this. These two can make a pair. So that is also correct. If you make pair for these two elements and these two elements, that is also correct. Solution is different, but the answer is correct. Or as I do, I take this one with this and this one with this. Now also the solution will be correct. Now let us solve it. Quad 1. In quad 1 Which elements are there? 0, 4, 2 and 6. 0, 4, 2, 6. Reduced to. So when we reduce to quad, we will see which elements are not changing. So in these 4 elements, which is not changing, in these 4 cells, which element is not changing? A bar. For all these 4 entries, A bar is same. A bar, B is changed. Now C D bar, C bar, D bar, C D bar. D bar is also not changed. So D bar. So for this quad, the solution is A bar, D bar. Now check for the next quad. Quad 2. Elements are 6, 7, 14, 15. 6, 7, 14 and 15. Reduced to reduce these quads. Now check which elements are not changing. For these 2 cells, A bar B, A B. So B is not changing. CD bar. C is not changing. So for this quad, the solution is BC. Now we will move for the pairs. Pair 1. Pair 1 will be 0, 1. Reduced to, okay. Now which element is not changing? A bar, B bar is not changing and C bar is also not changing. So answer of this is A bar, B bar and C bar. Pair 2 is 9 and 11. Reduced to, in this pair, which elements are not changing? A B bar and C bar D, C D. So D is not changing. So this is the solution. So the answer is F, A, B, C, D is equal to A bar, D bar plus BC plus A bar, B bar, C bar plus A, B bar, D. Okay students. Now let us move for the next question. F ABCD is equal to pi 0, 2, 5, 7, 8, 10, 14 and 15. So first make the K-map for the 4 variable for POS. And for POS there is a different way. A plus B bar, A bar plus B bar, A bar plus B. Here you are right, C plus D, C plus B bar, C bar plus D bar, C bar plus D. Now for filling this same method, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay. Now look at the entry, element 0. For POS, in SOP we used to write 0 for the unfilled element, and the entry which is given, in that we will write 1. Here we will do just opposite. So in 0 is there, so mark 0 in this element, in this cell. 2, 5, 7, 8, 10, 14, 14, 15. 0, 2, 5, 7, 8, 10, 14 and 15. So we have already marked. Now rest of the entry we will fill with 1. These elements you can also see A plus B, here is A bar, B bar. So these are also just opposite. A bar, B bar, here in POS A plus B. A bar, B, in POS A plus B bar, just opposite. So you can memorize for this you can make yourself, no problem. Okay, now look at the quads. First we will see for the octets. There is no octet. Now look at the quads. So on the 4 edges we are getting 0. So these are making 1 quad. Okay. Now these 4 elements are left. These cannot make a quad. Then go with the pair. Okay, now here also many solutions can be there. See, 1 pair, second pair, third pair. For these 4 elements we can make 3 pairs. But if you look carefully, this pair is a redundant group. This pair is a redundant group. What does it mean? If we make 2 pairs, 1 pair, 2 pair, then what is the need for making this pair? Because all the elements are already a part of any pair. So no need to make this pair. Okay, this is one solution. Second solution, we can make pair for this element with this, means 1 pair we can make this, second pair and third pair. That is, there is no redundant group. But the best solution will be given by 1 quad, this 1 pair and this second pair. No need to take this third pair as it is a redundant group of elements. Okay, so now come to the solution. Quad 1, which elements? 0, 2, 8, 10. 0, 2, 8, 10. Reduced to now look which elements are not changing. Here B and here D. D is same and B is same. So B plus D. Pair 1, 5, 7. Reduced to which element is not changing? A, B bar plus in these elements D bar also is not changing, so plus D bar. Pair 2, 14, 15. 14, 15. Reduced to. Now check A bar, B bar. Plus C bar. C bar is not changing for these 2 elements. So now we come for the solution. F, A, B, C, D B plus D, A plus B bar plus D, A bar plus B bar plus C bar. So friends, this is the solution. If you have any doubt, please write in the comment box and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you. Jai Hind.